Hey friends, this is a little bit different today. This show is a follow-on to the one that Irene did yesterday on how to make a pie crust. Now she did that specifically to show Dan how to make a pie crust. It's easy. I can make them, but she does such a good job that I just stepped back and let her go. What I'm going to do now is start making the pecan pie that Dan showed us in his video. And I'll put a link right over there to that video. And of course, he's from Philadelphia, so he has to use Philadelphia cream cheese. So, I'm going to use Philadelphia cream cheese too. Thanks, Dan. Now I've let this cream cheese sit out 5 or 6 hours so that it's plenty warm. That softens it up so that the rest of the ingredients can be mixed relatively easily. Now, when you go watch Dan's video, if you haven't already seen it, he had a little bit of a trouble whipping up that cream cheese and the eggs and everything else. So, I decided I'm going to go with the big gun. I'm going with the stand mixer. Put the salt in, the sugar, the vanilla, and 1 egg. Everything's incorporated in this bowl. It's nice and smooth, there's no lumps. So, time to put this in the pie shell. Now, one of the things that intrigued me about Dan's recipe was that he uses the cream cheese in the pie filling. We make a pumpkin pie that uses ricotta as part of the filling. And we like that so much. We did that a few years ago. A few years ago. We did that about 10 years ago when we cooked a Renaissance feast for a historical reenactment group that we belonged to. That pie was so good, it's replaced our normal, regular pumpkin pie. I'm hopeful that this pie is going to be the same kind. I'm just going to shake the pie to even out that base layer of the pecan pie. Well, that was pretty fast. Now it's time to go ahead and make the topping. So, we're going to go ahead and stop right here. I'll do a few more things and we'll come right back. Well, we're back. The topping is really simple. It's eggs, sugar, vanilla, and some light Karo syrup. Now, I'm going to put all of these ingredients in the show notes so that you can get it in a convenient fashion. Vanilla, the sugar, 3 eggs. I'm going to start whisking this up first. And now the light Karo syrup. Smells good. I have about 1 3/4 cups. Dan used 1.5 cups. I'm going to use a little bit more. These are rough chopped pecan halves. Now we'll see if all this topping fits in the pie shell. I think I'm going to quit right there. It's pretty full. There's only a little bit left in the bowl. Now, we just need to put this in the 350-degree preheated oven and let it bake for about 45 minutes is what Dan said. We're going to keep a really close eye on it because we don't want to burn it. How's it look, Irene?
Oh man, that looks tasty.
Welcome back, friends. Boy, that was a really hard thing to do, to wait for that pie to cool off.
Seriously, I haven't adulted that hard in a long time.
So what we're going to do now is we're going to try cutting a couple of pieces and seeing how it tastes. You want to do the honors, Irene?
Sure, you'll need to get the forks.
Well, that looks nice.
Yes. It's always hard to get that first piece out of any pie, but...
I'll take the messy piece.
That is really good. I've always loved pecan pie, but the older I've gotten, the less tolerant I've been of the really thick sugar goo in there. And this is lovely because you get the same sort of flavors without as much sweetness.
Well, Dan, you recommended an awesome pie, that Ward 9 pecan pie. I like it. I really like it, as a matter of fact, because it isn't as sweet as your standard pecan pie.
Right?
That cream cheese really does make a difference. Well, friends, we're gonna go chow down on some awesome pecan pie. Thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this craziness that we're doing. Take care.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Piece of pecan. Please like and use.
This will be great for breakfast.
You think it'll last till breakfast?
Yeah, I think I get a stomachache if I eat it all before breakfast.